Hello traders, and welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. Have you been wondering how I'm making these bigger profits each and every day whenever I'm taking trades? Or have you been wondering why most of my zones are respected by the market? If you're curious about how I take trades and also the secrets that I use in the markets, this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to expose all the secrets of smart money concept, and also I'll put a little bit of my strategy. But before we go too far, I would like you to join my free Telegram channel. It's free of charge. And if you want to join this free Telegram channel, you can check the link in bio and you tap on this link to join the Telegram channel, or you can check the link in description down there below to join the Telegram channel. It's free of charge. Join and also enjoy like others are doing, guys. Don't miss out to join the winning team. Let's get back to what brought us today. The first secret that I'm going to unveil to you is to tell you that the first thing that we have to look at is where the market is heading to. We always have to look at the direction of the market. The first thing and the foremost is to know the directions of the market. Firstly, we know that whenever the market is dropping, breaking lower lows, and retesting back and breaking lower lows, of course, the more the market does that, we confirm that it's in a downtrend. And when the market is breaking higher highs like this, we confirm that now the market is in an uptrend, which is different from the market that is consolidating. A market that is consolidating doesn't have the right direction on which it is heading to. Now, in today's video, I'm going to also show you the real examples of the trades that we took when we were following the market and we made a lot of profits, guys. So don't miss out. Just sit down, watch the video, and if you like my videos and they're helpful to you, tap on the subscription so that you can't miss out the videos that will be coming. And also you tap on the like button so that more of your friends can see it, and also you can share the videos. So now let's check this out. We have seen that now this market was moving, going higher highs and breaking, going higher highs. Of course, it was an uptrending market. This is a trade that we took just over recent that made me over 5,000 US dollars. For example, now this market was moving higher highs, and when it reached here, it broke the last breaking, and when it dropped down, this was the zone that it was supposed to be respecting, but hence the market dropped below that zone and broke the zone. After the market breaking the zone, market retested again. Here was an order block that was really formed here. So why? Because there was imbalance. And again, there was a BOS or a break of structure. Now, why did I give this sell trade? And this is the first reason as to why I gave the sell trade. Firstly, we could see that now the market has changed the sentiment and the market is dropping lower lows. That means that now the market is in a downtrend. So where are we supposed to wait for the market from? Now we know that the market is dropping and has retested already this side. Now we look at the first criteria. The first criteria are that we are having imbalance in this zone. The second criteria is that the market is dropping lower lows. The other criteria is that we are having an order block in this zone. So we have to wait for the market to come into that zone, and we have to mark the zone. Now that we have marked the zone, we are having this as our order block. But since this candlestick was the candlestick formed before the market could break it, or the sellers could dominate the market, also this zone is considered as a selling area because this is where they negotiated from. So anytime the market might come and tap also into this zone only and drop. Let's play this out and we see what the market did. Market tapped into our order block, and then after tapping into the order block, then the market respected the zone. So this was our entry, and we were supposed to look at the lower zone, which is this one. And this target itself, it was about 238 pips. So I think you see how my trades are big and are huge in a day. Whenever I'm giving a trade, it's worth it. It's worth it. That's why I tell people to join my VIP channel so that you can get these banger trades, these huge trades that are going to be yielding a lot of money, guys. So now the market drops. And I think you see how the market played out in that zone. And then here was leaving liquidity. Now, when the market was dropping, it was leaving more liquidity. And we can't forget that after market created this break here, inside break or internal break, that pushed it to this order block, it was also creating newly formed order blocks. This was a newly formed order block, and this was a newly formed order block. But the only thing that can push the market is that the main sentiment is a downtrend. Now, what happens now? When the market is in a downtrend, and then we know that now we are firm in our zone and we are strong. After the market has reached here, when we have taken an entry, we have to close partials, take partials, and then leave others running. You can see the market, you can see what the market is doing whenever you are following the market. So the market had created another block here, so I couldn't resist to take my half and close half and also set break even so that the market can take me out again. Now, this is what happens. There was another block again here. So another block after liquidity. Are you seeing that? This was another block and this is another block after liquidity. So anytime this order block can be respected. But the only thing that we are having in our minds is that now at least the market is dropping lower lows. And we are firm because we are having also the imbalance that is being taken out. And now the market has to come and tap on this, at least this lower low. And at least we close. Now, this is what happens. The market tries to push down, but still this order block is resisting. Now, when the order block is resisting, what else do we do? Is to sit firm. Of course, I told you, you have to set BE, you have to close half. I think you can see my screenshots there of the trades that I took on this zone. Now, let's see what the market does. I think you see what I told you. The market tries to push high in order to come and continue higher. Why? Because here was another block. But what will resist this market to go high is because the main sentiment now is in a downtrend. Let's see what happens in the market. Market sweeps that liquidity, all the liquidity that is here. It was trying to push high and then market dropped. And I think you see how we hit our take profits. For me, I closed take profits later of one zone that I was remaining with. And I think you can see how I made a lot of money. So the secret number one was that you have to follow where the market is going or the trend of the market. You have to mark the breaks of structures well. You have to know if each and everything is in its right position. What I'm meaning here is that if the market is in the right trend. Let's go to another zone. Another zone that made me lots of profits was this. Now this market was dropping, going down. Of course, this was a downtrending market. And of course, this is a reversal trade. What we call reversal trades are different from continuation trades. Continuation trades are trades that we take when we are following where the market has been going. But a reversal trade is the one that we take whenever we know that the market is changing the direction of where it has been heading to. Now, this one was supposed to be a reversal trade. And this is what happened. When the market dropped down, it was coming to the old order block. The older order block was firmly somewhere where the market had missed some time back. And then the market came to take all this liquidity and then tapped into that old order block that we missed some time back when the market didn't mitigate the zone. Now, why could I give this trade? This trade made me over 7,000 US dollars. Now I can show you these are my screenshots, and you can see the trade that I took here. Now let's go in this. Now look at this market. Firstly, we are seeing that now the market is dropping down. It has swept liquidity. Sometimes you may enter early and you lose money, but sometimes you may enter earlier, and if you know how to scale, scaling means to layer in the market. And someone who can layer in the market is someone who has good and professional way of trading by layering and using smaller lot size. Now look at this. When the market tapped into this zone, I think you can see what happened. Swept liquidity and then started trying to move high. So what happens here? For me, I took what we call an aggressive entry. I didn't wait for the market to come and change the direction well. So I was firm and was confident of the zone that I was going to take. But I don't tell anyone to do that, because in my classes I teach you how to first sit and wait for confirmation. Now, when the market moved like this, market broke higher high, and this was our first confirmation that now the market is creating the change of character. But this change of character wasn't having each and everything that we needed. Of course, it was a change of character, but it wasn't having each and everything that we needed for confirmation. Why? We didn't have imbalance, no imbalance. So that's the first thing that we're looking at. And we didn't have that much liquidity that we could say that now the market is just picking liquidity. What happened here? Market tapped into this order block. I think you see the newly formed order block, but I couldn't take this trade, of course. And on my side, I just took this first entry and I sat in the trade. So let's see what happened here. When the market was playing out, tried to drop again, sellers tried to push the market lows, and it was looking for this liquidity. But let's see if the market took that low. Good. Market didn't take the low, instead broke this high. So this was a good internal change of character, and anyone could wait for a fair value gap out for a trade in the fair value gap. Those ones who know how to take trades on fair value gap, or who knows how to take what we call breaker block trades. So this was a good trade, and you could target maybe the higher high or the recent high, which is this one, or maybe this order block. Now look at this. Let's see what happened. Market came for a fair value gap, and after tapping to the fair value gap, the breaker block, and then the market started moving high. And I think you see what happened in the market. This is what the market did after that. It had to fly. So in this trade, I think you can see there below. I think you can see from here. I think I took a trade up to somewhere here. So it was about 7,000 something. And I think you can see in the screenshots there, and you can relate. So it's a good trade that I took. So guys, don't miss out, guys. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, it's free of charge. I told you, you can check the link here in my bio, and you tap on Telegram channel, then you join my Telegram, or you check the link in the description below, and then you join our Telegram. Our Telegram is free of charge. You can also join my VIP too if you want to join, and you start trading like others, guys. So my free Telegram, a lot of things about what we do every day. So guys, you can also join and you enjoy, guys. So if you have liked this video and it has added something to you, you can like the video, and you can subscribe to this channel so that you can't miss more videos that are yet to come, and you can be among those ones who are making it each and every day, guys. Thank you so much. Let's meet in another video.